Welcome to Wednesday Web Chat. This is Carl Lewis, your host from Vision 33, always and constantly here on Wednesday Web Chat for the last almost 11 years. Today, we're going to be covering a topic all about integrations and automations that we can make to our SAP Business One systems. So today, we're going to be talking about inventory management and movement. If you remember from last week, we kind of started this series on how do you get going down this road of what everybody refers to as digital transformation. Now you have to have a good foundation in place. Talked about the importance of cloud-based deployments as we move through the future. Doesn't mean you can't be involved in digital transformation if you don't do that. But really what these digital transformations are about, they are simply integrations and automations that increase and enhance the experience for customers, for vendors, and for our employees. That's really as simple as it is. So many times when people purchase an ERP application like SAP Business One, they choose a number of things. And most customers who even are live on Business One today have more than one add-on product that is seeking to do this. Most of them have the Boyum B1 Up application as a part of the essential core of what they're trying to do in Business One. But many of them want to enhance SAP Business One with other applications and integrations and customizations. So today we're going to be looking at an area, inventory management and movement in particular, and letting you know that what are today's recommendations from Vision 33. We've been doing this since 2003, and many things have changed, and the availability of some products, as you can imagine, goes away. We end up learning things and making choices and selections and creating partnerships with providers for various reasons, most of them having to do with the ability to give our customers a better experience. And so the things that we would recommend today are not necessarily the same things we would recommend even 5-10 years ago, because things change. And so that's why we think it's essential periodically for us to let you know, here's what we recommend these days. Now, as I said, many customers deploy some of these tools sort of out of the box when they initially invest in putting in a new ERP system, but others kind of put in a base ERP system and their business changes and grows in the future, and they need to adapt it to their current needs. So it kind of applies to a couple of different audiences. And by no means has the past year not contributed to this. Many businesses